In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Telegram app on PC. This walkthrough is specifically for anyone who installed Telegram through the Microsoft Store on Windows. Keeping Telegram updated ensures you have the latest features, performance improvements, and important security fixes. So it's worth taking a minute to do it the right way. Start by opening the Microsoft Store app on your PC. You can launch it from your Start menu, or by selecting it from your taskbar if it's pinned there. Once the store opens, look toward the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see the Downloads or Library icon there, often shown as an arrow pointing down into a small tray. Click that icon to go to your App Library and Downloads section. This is where Windows manages updates for all apps installed through the store, so it's the central place to check. At the top right of this page, click the Get Updates button. When you do, the store will scan for any available updates and queue them up. This step makes the store fetch the latest versions. So give it a moment to refresh the list. Next, look through the available updates. If Telegram appears with an update button next to it, click Update to begin. You'll see a progress indicator showing the download and installation status. Keep the Microsoft Store window open while it works. If Telegram is currently open, it's a good idea to close it to allow the update to apply smoothly and avoid any interruptions. If you don't see Telegram in the list after the store finishes checking, that typically means it's already up to date, or the app wasn't installed via the Microsoft Store. When Telegram is current, you'll usually see an Open button instead of Update. In that case, you are all set and can continue using the app as normal. A few quick tips for a smooth experience. Make sure your internet connection is stable so the download completes without pausing. And allow a bit of time if the update is large. If the progress seems stuck, waiting a short while often resolves it as the store processes other tasks in the background. Once the update finishes, you can open Telegram from the store page or from your Start menu. You'll now be on the latest version available through the Microsoft Store with improvements applied behind the scenes. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.